IRS Form 2120 is the multiple support declaration. You use it when no single person paid more than half of another person's support, but together a group of people did, and you are the one claiming that person as a dependent. Each other person who could have claimed the dependent and who paid more than 10% of the support signs a statement agreeing not to claim them. This is common when several adult children together support a parent. You attach the form to your return. Start by entering the name shown on your return and your Social Security number. For example, Anna Baker and 987654321. You are the person actually claiming the dependent this year. Confirm these match your Form 1040, since the dependent you claim and this supporting declaration both attach to your return. The other eligible supporters do not claim the dependent this year, but they must provide you the signed statements that this form represents. Next, enter the calendar year and the name of your qualifying relative, the person being supported, for example, Robert Baker. By filing this form, you declare that you are claiming this person as a dependent, that no one paid more than half of their support alone, and that you paid more than 10%. The other people who paid more than 10% have each given you a signed statement waiving their right to claim the dependent for this year, which you keep with your records. Now list each eligible person who could have claimed the dependent and who is waiving that right. Enter the person's name, their Social Security number, and their address. For example, Ben Carter at 500 Oak Avenue, Dallas, TX 75201. There is a row for each such person. These are the individuals who paid more than 10% of the support and signed a statement agreeing not to claim the dependent, which is what allows you to claim them under the multiple support rules. After listing the eligible persons, attach Form 2120 to your tax return for the year you are claiming the dependent. Keep the signed waiver statements from each person in your records, since the IRS may ask to see them. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.